Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, as a homeowner, I'm sharing something really important tip for you. If you see on your screen, you see this water drain coming from my rooftop, and I have added an extension. So this is basically called downspout, uh, downspout pipe extension. This is called. So this is something like what happens like if you don't have it, then what's gonna happen that water from your rooftop, because of its shape or even melted snow, it's gonna fall and it's gonna come at the base of your house, somewhere here. Let me show you if I can. Yeah, it will come somewhere here, right? Here it will fall and it will damage, because lot of water will get accumulated near to wall and it will go and touch the wall. So what you can do, you can install this extension, and what it is gonna do, that water when it falls, it is gonna pick it all, and it's gonna move the water away from your house, so that it is protected in a much better shape. It's a very cheap item, hardly cost, I got this in just $10 from Home Depot. So this you can purchase. This will definitely help you. Thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.